Everything was matte, 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 matte. And I almost cracked. Okay, my skin cracked. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche as always. So today I'm going to be using new products that I've not used on my face before. Okay, so these products are they're not new, they're not like recent releases. Okay, so I'm gonna be using makeup products that I've not used on my face before, as well as products that I've stopped using for a long time. I mean, I've used them before, but for some reason, new products. First of all, I'm just going to get this hair out of the way. All right, I am not a weak person at all. Like, if I'm more on braid, then I pack my hair up and put the whole hair bun stuff on top of it. Wearing wig, I don't know, I've not felt really comfortable. Okay, can you open? I've not felt really comfortable wearing wigs. When you fix nails, okay, I've never felt so comfortable wearing wigs though. So, but this is my first wig on my channel. All right, I don't know if it looks good. I mean, tell me in the comment section if this is okay, if it's cute or not, because if people say it's not cute, I am not wearing it again. So guys, so the first thing I'm going to use is this e.l.f. Illuminating Primer Mist. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, it's e.l.f. Illuminating Primer Mist, like I said, and it's clear. It looks white, but it's not white. So I got this from Kmart. I can't remember the price. I don't know if I'm going to find the receipt, but if I do, I'm going to leave the price for you guys here. So I'm going to just I'm going to just spread this on my face. Yeah, that was too much. So the next thing I'm going to use is this brow pencil. This is Makeup Design Mod Eyebrow Pencil. This is a company, they sell products like makeup products here in Australia. So I just saw it on in the mall and I picked it. It comes with a brush, not the regular spoolie brush, but like this kind of brush, and we'll see. Well, it's not bad, it works. Okay guys, so this is my kind of eye pencil. It's not too dark and I feel like it's okay for the type of brow pencils I usually use. So the next thing I'm going to do is, I don't know if I should do my eyes first or foundation. I think I'll do my eyes first. So guys, I applied my eye primer. I didn't want to do all of that, so this video won't be so long. So the palette I'll be using is the Afrique by Juvia's Place. Okay, so this is Juvia's Place palette. I know I am late to the party when it comes to Juvia's Place, but they were doing sales. Okay, so I had to order things from their site. It took a while though to get shipped from US to Australia. It took a while. I went to look for the price. I don't know the actual price. Okay, I bought it on sales. Okay, but I'm going to find the price and I'll leave it here. I'll also leave their link in the description box. So this is the shade inside the palette, a mixture of nude. I mean, you can just do something natural, you can do something all right, so somebody in my last video where I did a red and golden video with Tammy, yeah, every single time I mess up the name, with Tropical Twilight Tammy X Revolution palette. So the person said in the comment section I should recreate the look, okay, using another palette, which I think I might just do that, then maybe pop on tiny. I mean, what is my makeup without colors? Oh, this is cute. They used African names. I don't know if you guys can see this. They used African names. They used Niger, Togo, Cameroon, Cotonou, Cote d'Ivoire. Oh, okay. So I'm going to use the shade Binto. I don't know. This shade. I'm going to use this in the inner corner of my eyes and the outer corner of my eyes. Okay, I just love pigmented eyeshadow. Who doesn't love pigmented eyeshadows? Like, damn, It's like it doesn't even stress you that much. You know, you just use it and it's showing up. Ah, so good. So good. Okay guys, to blend out this color, I'm going to use the shade Cameroon. It's brown, a light brown shade. Yep. I'm going to use it to just blend out the line so that it won't have any harsh line. Well, this is so nice. I think I'm going to go back in with the first shade and just make like a round semicircle shape. This is so easy to blend, like very easy to blend. And I love palettes that are very easy to work with. It makes you love doing colors and makeup and eyeshadow. And for my transition shade, I'm going to use the shade Dakar. Okay, it's an orange shade. So because I'm going to just be going back and forth with these shades that I used to get the look that I'm trying to achieve. Yeah, so I went ahead to put eye base in the middle, and I don't know the shade to go in with. If I'm going to do what I did in that video, then I should be going in with this shade called Coffee. It's Coffee. Yeah, it's Coffee. It's a golden shimmer shade. Okay, this is very beautiful. Now to blend out this harsh line, I'm going to go back in with the second shade Cameroon that I used. Now I'm looking for the brush that I used. Which one? Yeah. So for my foundation, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Velvety Matte Foundation. Okay, in the shade Togo. And the interesting part about this foundation is that they have this thing on their website where you choose your shade and choose your undertone, and then they tell you the best one and the best concealer that matches your face. And that's what I did. I mean, I always choose between neutral undertone and warm undertone. I don't even know my undertone that well. That is sad, right? But then I choose between these two, and this is what they gave me, Togo. So this is me testing out their Togo. If this works, that means I'm going to use this to be finding my perfect foundation shade. So and it's full coverage. I mean, I want to call it full coverage because it covered everything, but it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't actually feel like something is sitting on my skin. It feels really nice. It is good. I like it. Great. Now for the concealer. So I got two concealers, and I got the lighter one for highlight, and I got the darker one for contour. And this one is in the shade 3. And this one is 12. It's so big. The applicator is so big, but it's not terrible. Okay, this feels lighter than the foundation for me. It doesn't feel as thick as the foundation. I don't know why I'm using too much concealer. I mean, I never use too much concealer. And for some reason today I'm using too much concealer. What is my problem? I'm just so excited, okay? Okay, I like how easy this thing is to blend. It's so smooth. It blends out so easily. Let me see. Snatched. Okay, so this is good. And then for my setting powder, this is not new and I've used it before, but it's a matte setting powder. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder in the shade medium. I think the day I used it, I used their foundation, which is also matte, and I used the matte primer, the biggest mistake of my life. Everything was matte, and I almost cracked. Okay, my skin cracked. Yeah, but I figured since I'm using this, the Illuminating primer mist, that I should just go ahead and use this. So this is probably going to be me using this and giving it a second try. Okay, so this is not bad today. I don't feel so dry. Okay guys, for my face, this is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I mean, I have oily skin. I want to get everything can't stop, won't stop. Matte. Okay, I'm just going to use this to set the places where I didn't set with the setting powder. I'm going to contour my face with this Zikel long lasting compact powder. It's a Nigerian owned brand, and I bought this when I was still learning how to contour, and I went to buy the darkest shade. This camera is not doing justice to this shade. It is so dark. And since then I've had new contour powders and I dumped it, so but I'm gonna use it again, but I go in very carefully, just not to over contour my face because it's really dark. For my eyeliner, this is also from that brand that I used their brow pencil. This is the makeup design mod, and this is their eyeliner. It says designed and created in Australia, made in Australia, so it's an Australian brand. And I got this, and for some reason I dumped it. I don't know why. I didn't even try it, but I'm trying it out today for you guys. Alright, so I'm just going to line my eyes and give myself wing line, not too much. Okay, so even though the tip is very tiny, it doesn't really give you that stuff that you look out for when you're trying to line your eyes. And as far as I'm concerned, it's not, in my opinion, it's not too dark. I mean, it's black, but it's not black.
2 hours later.
So guys, after struggling to make it dark enough, like the way I wanted it to be, I added some lashes. And so for my water lash line, I'm going to use this shade called Côte d'Ivoire. It's a blue shade. Okay guys, so for the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to add this shade called Angelique. Okay, I'm going to use this Itsmyrayeraye X Bhcosmetics. I've been using this palette for like forever. I've even hit pan in some of the eyeshadows and this contour shade here, but I'm going to use this as both bronzer and what do you call the other one? Blush. For my highlights, I usually use this. I think I used this in the first few videos that I did, but I've not used this since then. And this is a This is a Ferraya Gold Bhcosmetics Supreme Loose Pigment. It's a loose pigment and it's so pigmented. You just have to use a little. I don't even remove this. I just use the one here on my face because it's so pigmented, guys. See? It's so pigmented. So guys, I lined my lips with a brown liner and I'm going to use this NYX Suede lipstick in the shade Rose Gold. It's a nude lipstick. To finish this look, I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss. Okay, this is like amazing. And this is in the shade Fortune Cookie Biscuit. Oh my god. So guys, this is the final look. I am obsessed. Okay, I don't know if it's the blue that is doing it or is it my face, I don't know, but this is cute. Okay, so this is the final look, guys. I'm so going to use this palette again and just do something colorful. Use this shade Togo. It's like a green shimmer shade. It's so beautiful. And then use this green and blue in a good way. But so far so good. This is amazing. And then for this elf primer, it looks okay. I don't know if there's any changes or if there's any difference, but I mean, considering how oily my face is, it would have started producing oil by now before I even finished with my lipstick. Okay, but then it looks great. And yeah, guys, this is the final look. You tell me what to think of this look and me slaying my hair. Okay, this is going to be my first wig I'm wearing comfortably. Okay, thank you. This looks nice. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscription button down there and subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, distribute this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.